Darn stupid wipers. I can't see a thing. Hey guys, Tamisha here with Toolbox Divas, and today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to change the windshield wipers on your car. Alright, let's get dirty. So I'm going to be using Rain-X weather beater blades. Now you can find these at your local hardware store like Home Depot or Walmart or online, and usually in the store they'll have a book that'll help you find the correct blades to go with your car. Cars have a left and a right blade, so you're going to be looking for the two blades that go with your car. I'm driving a Hyundai Tucson 2015, so these are the blades that go with my car. I'm not that tall, so I'm not ashamed to say that I'm going to be using a step ladder to get to my wiper blades. And don't be ashamed to use a step ladder to get to them. So first we're going to start off by removing the passenger side, I meant driver, side or the left side blade. So I'm going to start by removing the old blade first, and first we have to remove the wiper guard. This is for snow removal, so it may actually be called a snow guard, and we're going to remove the wiper blade from the actual arm. So we're going to take off the screw from the snow guard, and this comes with 2 screws on the snow guard, so you're going to remove both of them. And now we're going to remove the blade from the arm. So you have this pin right here, this little lever, and this is essentially the same with most vehicles, most modern vehicles, I will say. And you want to pull it towards you, like so. And you want to gently pull the wiper down, and it comes right out. And then you just take it off. So unlike the wiper blade that we just had, this one does not come with a snow guard, and that's fine. If you're using a manufacturer wiper blade, it might come with the same parts. But again, I'm using this Rain-X weather beater. And it also comes with this alternative connector and adapter. I don't need it for my car, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this to the side. All right, so now we're going to attach the wiper blade to the J-hook. You wanna run the J-hook through this opening like so, until you hear it snap. And once you hear it snap, you know that it's on and it's not going anywhere. Now let's do the other side. The other side is going to be a breeze. Okay, so same as with the last one. You want to take the little lever that's inside. So you want to push it towards the metal and pull the arm down like so, and just take it out. So with the new wiper blade, pull it into the opening, pull the wiper blade up until you hear snap, just like that, and you will see that it is not going anywhere. And ladies and gents, we've installed new wiper blades. So I hope you like this tutorial. Please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to this channel. And don't be shy, follow us on social media at Toolbox Divas on Facebook and Instagram. Till next time. The birds got even louder. I don't know what they're doing. They're like fighting.